I think we have been in a bull market for gold, although people might not agree with me, since the beginning of 2016. And I can give an example. The S&P's up 45% since the beginning of 16. The Dow's up 50%. And our own gold stock's up 80%. And that's the invisible market, bull market in gold, because we're not alone. There are other gold stocks that have been moving, but the broad market isn't paying attention to this. And they should be, because the broad market is quite highly priced right now, and the risk of a correction appears to be quite large. Whereas in the gold shares, it's quite low, it's under-owned. Right now, I think Newmont is the only gold stock in the S&P 500, and its market cap as a percentage of the S&P market cap total is 0.07%. It's nothing. And there were times when gold was 4 or 5% weighting. So if we ever went back to that, there would be a stampede into that space.
So when you hear statements, and I hear it often, that the media hates gold, not niche media like Kitco News, but mass media and the general public just doesn't understand the space. Does that fall in line with what you're saying about this invisible story happening?
Yes, there's very little media coverage of gold other than the media that is focused on the industry. But once you start hearing stories of takeovers, premiums, big discoveries that are changing the value dynamic. Once the public starts saying, there's some place over there that's been neglected, but they're making money. Yeah. And other sectors right now, there are a few making a lot of money, but a large market isn't moving right now.
Speaking about mergers and acquisitions, there's been a lot of activity in Nevada. You are present in Mexico, Argentina, and Nevada. We saw Northern Empire taken out recently. What do you make about this focus and spotlight on Nevada right now?
Part of that is driven by the curtailment of regulations, the streamlining of regulations in the United States. And Nevada, if you were to take, it surprises. The ride in yesterday, our driver said, Nevada still produces gold? I said, look, if Nevada was a standalone country, it'd be about the 5th largest gold producer in the world. So Nevada has an endowment of more than 200 million ounces of gold. It is one of the best places in the world to be. And then when you have regulations being streamlined, that's why people want to be there.
Let's talk McEwen Mining now. What's next? What's your focus? As we're about to start 2019, the year's just flying by.
It is. Well, we began construction of our gold bar deposit in Nevada. Yeah. It'll be operational at the beginning of next year. We also are now looking beyond shallow oxide resources, looking to depth for sulfides, where we feel what hosts Barrick's Cortez Hills and 4 Mile discovery may be sitting below us. And we've extended the life of the mine. So that's good. In Timmins, Ontario, Canada, we're spending $15 million on exploration, and we found all sorts of really exciting discoveries. We haven't put them all together to say what it means, but it looks like there's a longer life to happen there. In Mexico, we finished mining our open pit, and we've now got a project that could extend the life by 12 years, and that'd be silver and gold. And in Argentina, we're hope to put a road into our big copper project that will alter the economics of that project immensely.
Well, Rob McEwen, best of luck, continued success. I appreciate getting your thoughts on the sentiment in the gold space right now. You're still optimistic, still waving the flag for gold investors out there.
I just put $25 million more into McEwen Mining. My investment now cost of it's $160 million.
And you're still taking $1, what was it, $1?
$1 a year in salary.
$1 a year. All right. Well, thank you so much, Rob.
Thank you very much, Danielle.
And thank you for watching. We'll have much more for you on Kitco.com. Thanks, Rob.
Thank you.
That's great.